This CrowdStrike outage impacted airlines, banks, supermarkets, media outlets, and other businesses. A major outage of Microsoft's Azure cloud platform caused widespread disruptions this week, affecting various industries globally. The Microsoft global outage, which began on Thursday evening and impacted the central U.S. region, brought essential systems to a halt, including those of airlines, banks, and media outlets. Microsoft outage today also brought attention to cybersecurity platforms like CrowdStrike, whose Falcon Sensor reportedly malfunctioned and conflicted with the Windows system during the disruption. Microsoft's quick resolution restored normalcy, but the event serves as a reminder of the critical importance of reliable cloud infrastructure. What is CrowdStrike? CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity platform that offers security solutions to users and businesses, utilizing a single sensor and a unified threat interface with attack correlation across endpoints, workloads, and identity. Falcon Identity Threat Protection prevents identity-driven breaches in real time. It has been reported that a buggy update has caused CrowdStrike's Falcon Sensor to malfunction and conflict with the Windows system. CrowdStrike has acknowledged the issue, stating our engineers are actively working to resolve this issue and there is no need to open a support ticket. The company will notify users once the issue is resolved. Microsoft confirmed the Azure outage was resolved early Friday, but the disruption highlighted the potential consequences when critical infrastructure relies heavily on cloud services. This CrowdStrike outage impacted airlines, banks, supermarkets, media outlets, and other businesses.